Hi, I'm Francisco, a solutions engineer here at Conductor, and I'm going to show you how you can easily monitor your keyword rankings and overall market share across all your different business locations. A common challenge for national and global brands is understanding how you're really performing in your key local markets. Are you winning in the US but losing ground in Europe? It's tough to know where to focus your optimization efforts without clear comparative data. Here in Conductor, we give you incredible reach. You can track performance in over 20,000 US locations, right down to the city, county, and state level, and in over 2,700 international markets. With that level of detail, you can track your market share against key competitors in each specific area and use a visual map, just like this one, to spot your strongest and weakest regions at a glance, helping you prioritize exactly where to focus your efforts. The best part is you can add all of this data, from market share maps to rank changes by city, into a custom dashboard, like this one. This is how you create a single source of truth to report on the key local level metrics that matter most to your business.